Imagine that 10 years ago, you invested just $25, and today that investment would be worth over $1 million. That's exactly what could have happened if you had bought Bitcoin. But don't worry, even if you missed that opportunity, there are still plenty of reasons to understand the world of cryptocurrencies. And no, you don't need any computer science knowledge to get started. Hi there. Today, we're taking a short journey into a field that may seem far from personal development, but in fact, it's closely related. A world of financial independence and technology that's changing the rules of the game. In the next 5 minutes, you'll understand what Bitcoin really is and how it works, how to safely buy your first cryptocurrency, where to store your digital assets, and which other cryptocurrencies are worth knowing about. And I promise, I'll explain it in a way that even your grandma could understand. Just remember, this video is not investment advice. So, what is Bitcoin? Imagine Bitcoin as digital cash you can send over the internet without any middlemen. No banks, no financial institutions, just you and the recipient. But how is that possible? The answer is blockchain technology, a digital ledger where all transactions are recorded. Picture a giant spreadsheet stored simultaneously on thousands of computers all over the world. It cannot be changed or hacked and is completely transparent. Anyone can see it. What makes Bitcoin so unique? Above all, its limited supply. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins. In a world where governments can print unlimited money, causing inflation, Bitcoin offers an alternative, digital gold that cannot be printed at will. So where do new Bitcoins come from? Here comes the fascinating process called mining. Imagine a global math competition. Special computers, called miners, around the world solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first one to solve it gets rewarded with newly generated Bitcoin. Roughly every 9 minutes, someone around the world mines a new block and receives a reward. Every 4 years, the mining reward is cut in half. This is called halving. That's part of why Bitcoin has limited supply. It's a bit like digital gold mining, but instead of shovels and pickaxes, miners use computing power. Once the miners receive Bitcoin as a reward, they usually sell it on cryptocurrency exchanges, where anyone can buy it. How to buy Bitcoin? Buying Bitcoin today is easier than ordering a pizza. You just need an account on a cryptocurrency exchange with a verified identity. This process, known as KYC, Know Your Customer, helps prevent money laundering and financial fraud. The most popular exchanges in the world are Binance and Coinbase. The buying process looks like this. Create an account, verify your identity. Deposit money, buy Bitcoin, or a fraction of it. You can start with as little as $10. Important. Rule number 1 of investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are still a young and volatile market. Where to store Bitcoin? You've got 3 main options. On the exchange, the simplest but least secure. Remember the rule, not your keys, not your coins. If the exchange gets hacked, you could lose your funds. Software wallet, an app on your phone or computer, e.g. Trust Wallet, Exodus. More secure and user-friendly. Hardware wallet, a special device similar to a USB stick, e.g. Ledger, Trezor. The highest level of security recommended for larger amounts. My advice? Start with a software wallet, and once your investment exceeds $1,000, consider a hardware wallet. Besides Bitcoin, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, so-called altcoins, from alternative coins, any crypto other than Bitcoin. Some of the most well-known altcoins are Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot. Keep in mind, altcoins usually carry even more risk. Bitcoin has the longest history and the highest adoption, making it the safest choice for beginners. Getting into cryptocurrencies is not just a financial investment, it's an investment in your understanding of the future of money. It's a key part of financial independence, which is the foundation of inner freedom. Start with small amounts, learn as you go, and always prioritize security. And remember, true wealth isn't just about your bank balance, it's about the peace of mind that comes from financial knowledge and independence.